How to fix Steam missing file privileges error on PC. So first, you just have to simply launch your Steam application, but make sure that you run this as administrator. So tap on as administrator, and then once done, you can now start the first method, and that is to go to your settings. So locate Steam at the top left corner, and then go to settings. Now, under settings, what you want to do is to simply locate storage. Okay, scroll down till you see the storage right here. And then once you tap this, locate the disk or the location of where you want to repair. Tap this three dots and then kindly look for repair library, and it will automatically repair and fix some errors on your PC Steam. If this didn't work, then you need to proceed to the second method, and that is to go to downloads. This time, you can now change the location or change the country. Once you have changed the country, you can now scroll down and clear cache. Tap clear cache, and after you close and open your Steam, then you will see if the errors are fixed. A third method is go to your game and then go to properties and then look for installed files. Then tap this verify integrity of game files and then wait as it is processing. Then after this, it will somehow fix the missing file privileges error on your PC. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.